You know, in a life, compassion is very important. In a old days, Buddha's Jataka stories, this story was taken. That is, there were two kings. One was the king of Kosala, another was the king of Kashi, and both were uh, they were not like each other, and they were traveling in a opposite direction. And in those days, there were no golden corridor and four liner road were not there, only single line. In a cart road they met each other, but they were not uh, talking terms. And then their charters started talking. They said that the Kashi charter said that my king is very great because he has 1,000 elements. Their fellow also said that my king is very great because he has 1,000 elephants. Whatever this fellow said, he said uh, everything is the same, but how we who have we have to give this direction. Then because both were equal. Then king of Kashi said, "My king is always correct, always punish wrong people, and always helps good people, and he will helps those people who are useful to the society." Then the king of Kosala said, that my king is always corrects who are wrong, and he protects everybody, and um, he likes, even he likes also a enemy. And listen to that by listen this that by listen that king of Kashi said that he is the great person than me, so please give me the pass first. um, this story uh, I always said a life. Uh, I always telling in a life. It is not. It is not what I earn. It is not important. And how many elephants you have in those days, or how many Mercedes Benz you have is not important. How many uh, house you have built is not important. How much bank balance you have is not important. You should have a compassionate heart. It is essential, and it is essential, and then you are a human being. Otherwise you are not a human being. You are like one of those people who are born, who earn, who died. So uh, this is so what Buddha taught us in a 3,000 years back. One thing I experienced, my experience has taught, um, particularly in a foundation. The more you share, the richer you are. The more you give, the richer you are. The more you compassionate to a people, the happy you are.